It's All Hallows Eve all week long at Supply Side West in Las Vegas with NJ Labs. Watch out for murders, ghosts, witches, and goblins. Introducing the NJ Labs loyalty program with a whodunit scavenger hunt, and you're the detective, like only murders in the building. It's a testing whodunit for nutraceutical and dietary supplement manufacturers, taking place at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center November 2nd and 3rd. You do your own testing investigation. Stop by the NJ Labs booth 4672 to get your scavenger hunt map. There's a drawing for Only Murders in the Building swag at 3 p.m. on November 3rd, following the taping of NJ Labs podcast Beyond Testing with Sandra Lee and Mark Alyn. Winners will be announced at the reception. Celebrate Halloween all week long at Supply Side West.